Rule 7, what happens if our base isn't just e? E is a number, by the way. You can plug it in on your calculator and see what number it is. It's like 2.7-ish. What if you don't have e to the x, but instead you have any number raised to the x? Y equals, and I'm just going to write it as a to the x. And this is assuming a is bigger than 0. So it has to be a positive number. So our derivative, the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. But if you have a to the x, any number besides e, you do ln of a times a to the x. Not the easiest to remember, but easier than doing the 4-step process for sure. So let's see that with some numbers. So if we have y equals 2 to the x, then our derivative is going to be ln of 2 times 2 to the x. Okay, let's keep using that rule. See if you can try the next one. You can pause the video and come back. What's the derivative of 3 to the x? It's going to be ln of 3 times 3 to the x minus the derivative of e to the x. You could say is ln of e times e to the x, and that would be fine, but ln of e in your calculator is 1. That's why we didn't do this with e to the x, because ln of e, writing that is a waste of time because you're writing 1 times e to the x. The derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Lastly, what's the derivative of e squared? It's not e squared. The derivative of e squared, plug that into your calculator. It is one of those weird looking constants like 2 pi. If I tell you it's a constant, then what is its derivative? It's 0. We're done with this problem. Derivative of 3 to the x is ln of 3 times 3 to the x minus the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Derivative of e squared is just a weird looking number. The derivative of any number is 0.